Want ChatGPT to always follow your instructions? Use projects. Here's how in 1 minute. The problem: prompts get ignored, outputs drift, and consistency disappears across sessions. Projects solve this by locking instruction sets, templates, and examples for repeatable results. They store system messages, step lists, and example inputs plus expected outputs. Result: consistent tone, faster handoffs, and predictable automation across teams. Now let's build a project with clear prompts and example outputs you can reuse. Step 1. Create a new project and name it Blog Assistant. Step 2. Add a system instruction. You are a professional blog writer. Keep tone concise. Step 3. Add a prompt template. Write a 300-word post on topic with headings. Step 4. Include an example input topic, sustainable travel, and expected output excerpt. Test it, run the template, compare output to the example, then tweak instructions. Finally, lock and version the project, reuse across tasks, and save time. Try it now.